Guys, this rivalry finally coming to a head. X5 versus M6. We just did a roll and a dig, y'all. You know we hanging out. What's going on? We just did a roll and a dig, so what's going on, QP? Yeah, we out here cooling. Yeah, we finally done met up at the same time. Stage 3 DME versus Stage 2 Boot Mod, guys. It's going down. Oh. Yeah, and this who car it is right here. He gonna be racing again. I'm finna blow the doors off that slow shit, bro. Yeah, he a man a few words, cause he don't wanna lose. He don't wanna lose, and then
I'm a bust.
And he say he gonna bust me. He say he gonna bust me, guys. But we'll be right back. You know, we finna get this next dig race and roll race set up. We got both of them out today. Stage 3 M6, Stage 2 X5. Yes, Lord. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm finna show them that the X5 ain't nothing to be played with real soon. And we just getting everything warmed up right now. You know, you don't want to do no racing while the car's cold. He got me by about 300 horsepower and and I got him by almost 1,000 pounds on weight. All right, guys, here you go, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, he definitely quick. He definitely quick, but the X5 ain't no slouch though. He quick, but the X5 definitely ain't no slouch though. You see, he just didn't, you know, it just wasn't no complete murder, you know, and my boost just kicked in, so I definitely want to get him from a dig and see what we can do at a dig, guys. We finna get one from a straight dig. All right, guys, here we go. You gotta stop, JT. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit, he almost lost it. I'm gone. God damn. He got too much power, he spun. He got too much power, he spun. Road got kind of busy, guys, so we didn't do a second race, but we did get a lot of nice exhaust sounds in and a lot of good flybys. And I took the X5 home and went and got the X6M to get some good flybys in, guys. So check out these exhaust clips. What's swinging, gang? We headed on over to Orlando, Raps for Less. You already know what I'm in. I'm in that big boy M gang, M Power, M gang. You already know what it is. I got the, hold on. Got the Q60, new to the group. You know, that one's finna be highly tuned very, very soon. And I also got the M6 behind me. You know, we all headed over here to Orlando. And we finna see what this Raps for Less be about. You know, we thinking about rapping the M6, and I'm definitely gonna rap the X5. You know, not a full rap. I'm gonna do a half rap on the X5. You know, put the Autolust logo on there, and you know, my Instagram and YouTube link. You know, get the channel pumping, jumping. You know how we do. So we finna get on this highway, guys, and get over here to Orlando. And next thing you guys see, maybe a little bit of traffic shenanigans and Rap for Less. Let's do it. Oh, and look who we got here. We got Fat Boy. We got Fat Boy car right out here. This one of my buddy's cars right here, gang. For Less, the car rap shop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you ain't seen the new. Oh, you seen it?
He showed me at work.
JT.
What up, Tyson? No, they didn't remember me, do you? I'm Titusville. I met you about 20 years ago, man. No, OC?
Them bitches like this.
My brother.
Look how big the port is on this bit. You can put your head in that port.
What, them at 15?
Mm-hmm. This joke's finna be jamming, slamming. Oh, yeah.
They told me 600.
600?
Guess what?
What's that?
That dude who I was gonna go with, Jesse.
Yeah.
He talked about $1,000.
$1,000. Yeah, he lost his mind.
Hold on. Oh, you see my new whip?
Uh-uh.
Right there. My old lady driving. The Impala.
Oh, the white one? Big Facts. Just grabbed the Impala also. You know, big whip game. Big whip game. Big whip game. Everything foreign or floating. We don't even play. Oh yeah, this joke a whole animal too. Big Y. Big Y. Big Y. Ah! Look, he look just like me, don't he, gang? This is my little brother. He look just like me. I say Lil Muscle. Come on, big boy Q60 gang, getting ready to be tuned tuned soon. He getting the M6. Yeah, we tuning this baby here with a JB4. We putting a JB4 tune on here. Burger Motorsports coming soon. Everything finna be high power. Yeah, but guys, we finna gas up and get out of here and get on this highway, guys.
So if you into that bitch, bro, and you come up on some shit too quick, hit that downshift while you hit the brake. That bitch gonna break it down fast.
We at Wraps for Less, guys. They got an F type out here. A brand new one too. That's the V6 though, with the two pipes in the middle. With the quad exhaust, you know it's that supercharged V8. Oh man, they got a beautiful showroom too. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Do wrap, tint, paint protection film. Auto Lust Gang. I called about the BMWs. They out front. I called earlier about getting the quotes and to see the work you guys do. Yeah. All right, guys, we finna get some quotes, see what's going on, have somebody take a look at the cars, and then I'm gonna get right back with you. Yes. Bro, you wanna do a couple of exhaust revs?
What's up? Oh yeah, man. It's got a limiter on it, so it's not gonna go too loud right now.
Oh, it's cool. I know these things sound pretty good though. Oh man. God damn. Hey man, that sounds great, bro. Beautiful car too. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I only need that one half wrap though. Like a half wrap, kind of like from the roof down, cause it's just gonna have like my YouTube stuff. I want like the name and the Instagram in the back window, and like half wrap, and then like stop it coming through here, like a half wrap.
Yeah, definitely. So for something like that, you're looking around like 1,000, 1,500.
Okay, that's a great price. Way better than any one of the other ones I got. And guys, this is Wrap for Less, right here on Colonial, Orlando. Yeah, these two will be a full wrap, except the roof on this one because it's carbon fiber. We're right here on East Colonial, guys. 5307. I'm gonna put the link down in the description for Wraps for Less, guys. And she told me it'd be about $1,000 to get this car half wrap, even though it's not this car that's gonna get half wrap. It's gonna be the X5, guys, my daily driver. I'm gonna get that one half wrap. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run with that. Get the Auto Lust on it, you know, couple of little graphics on the side, the YouTube and Instagram in the back window, YouTube and Instagram link down on the bottom here, and get like it. I mean, I want it huge so you can read it from far away. So you know, it's gonna look good. And just like I told you guys in the last video, when a couple videos before, whenever this video is gonna come out, I'm getting this car, this front bumper repainted, and then the entire car 3-stage wet sand and buff. So this car isn't getting wrapped at all. This is gonna stay black, and it's gonna look good when it's done though, you know. So, but the M6 is definitely getting the full wrap. We're thinking about doing something similar to the Verde Hermes green, Hermes Verde green from BMW, one of their premium option paints, individual paints. And then my little brother is also thinking about wrapping his car. He doesn't know if he want to wrap it or paint it. So, but this is a beautiful car, guys. 2017 Q60. It's not the Red Sport, but it's gonna be tuned soon, so it's gonna be a hell of a lot faster than the Red Sport. And here we have a dirt bag right here.
Yeah, that's me.
I'm just kidding. He say he dirt bag of the year. Nah, that's me. I'm dirt bag of the year. You dirt bag of the month. But the black one or the white one? Okay. Jesus. Ooh, that Jag sounds beautiful. Now that's what a beautiful car sounds like. All right, guys, so we're finna get some of these prices wrapped up, guys, and then we'll get back with you. But again, here's the shop, 5307. I think it's West or East Colonial Drive. I'm gonna have the link down in the description, but it's here in Orlando, and it's called Wraps for Less. They do vehicle wrapping, paint protection, and window tint, guys. And it's right off of Colonial, Highway 50, beautiful Orlando.